So this is the Tushy, which is a bidet that you can install on a toilet. Pretty easy to install, pretty easy to self-install. And essentially, this thing is, great consumer tech product, pretty easy to set up and adds this functionality to most toilets. This company has done a pretty good job here. You know, the branding is pretty on point. You got the name, you open it up and it's just got a lot of fun stuff. You got the manuals and really didn't take very long to do. You kind of connect to the existing tube. They give you everything you need. Really simple. And there's some fun literature here. And that's really about it. It works really well. This is fills a great gap for people who want that bidet but can't have a standalone. And you just want to check and make sure that the one that you have, that the one that you're getting fits your toilet. You know, there's a hot water or a warm water version that needs connection to warm water. This one just needs the connection to the toilet, nothing else, no power, no electrical, and it's great. And we love this little white knob. So it's got the spray angle adjuster, and then it's got the knob and self-washing, but if you keep turning it at a certain point, there are also other bidets like this out there. There's a lot of cheaper ones on Amazon, and we'd love to know, has anyone tried any of those? Would you like to see us compare? What are your thoughts? Do you have the Tushy? Do you have another one? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for joining us, and tech it easy.